Hi, I'm Panchali, and this is what I learned about culture and leadership at IYAP. One of the biggest things I understood at IYAP is how important a positive culture is for growth. From my very first interactions, I saw how every idea was welcomed, regardless of position. That level of inclusivity made me feel comfortable to contribute and take initiative. It showed me that culture isn't just rules or guidelines, it's how people treat each other every day. I also learned a lot about leadership. At IYAP, leadership is not about hierarchy, it's about support, empathy, and collaboration. I saw team leads guide us with patience, ask for our opinions, and trust us with responsibilities. That made me realize that real leaders empower others instead of directing everything themselves. Overall, IYAP taught me that culture and leadership go hand in hand. When the environment is inclusive and supportive, it naturally brings out the best in people and inspires them to grow.